All right, it's still the 12th of August, 2025. Another WWE Shop unboxing. You guys just saw me unbox my John Cena farewell tour announcement frame. Now I'm unboxing a whole bunch of shirts, and all these shirts are John Cena, by the way. So if you're looking for a variety, well, technically it is variety, but I still got one more shirt coming in the mail. I don't know why they didn't just bundle that with these, but yeah. Let's get this show on the road. Yeah. Look at all that. This is the John Cena orange Tampa shirt. Tampa. There was also a Knoxville one. So I was like, might as well go Tampa. I mean, they're pretty much the same, but 5XL. You see me in this video, I lost heaps of weight, and I'm gonna continue losing weight. So I just love getting the big size shirts. Anyway, and yeah, I know it took me long enough to get one of these, but I actually got two of these. Yep, they're both Tampa. Yeah, kind of like a remake of his Nickelodeon orange shirt from 2010, which I have one copy of, but it's faded and does have a bunch of tears. I still love that shirt though. It's like a legacy sequel to that, I reckon. Sorry about the sun. This is the John Cena Lost Real Champion shirt. Yep. Black shirt. Great stuff. He never wore this, like, actually on TV. They did release this. This is like the closest thing to like a heel John Cena shirt, I reckon. Lost Real Champion. Yep. And I don't want to wear any of these just yet, only because I kind of I want to wear these on a special occasion, you know? Last shirt of this, John Cena, the green SummerSlam shirt. And the last remaining parcel, spoiler alert, is actually the blue SummerSlam shirt. Obviously, this is a nice shirt. This is when we wore this when he turned face again. So that was awesome. I say that like that was a long time ago. It literally happened like 11 days ago, 10 days ago, you know? Yeah. That's my unboxing, y'all. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you, Nation for life, y'all.